What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula for potassium nitrate, and after that I will show you how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight. So first of all, potassium is K plus, group 1, and nitrate is a polyatomic ion which is NO3 and the charge is -1. -1, +1, so it's going to be KNO3. That's the whole compound. And if you want to find the molar mass, you need to list all the elements: potassium K, nitrogen N, and oxygen O. And then you need to find out the atomic mass of each of them. Potassium is 39.098, nitrogen is 14.007, oxygen is 15.999. How many atoms of potassium we have? We have just one. How many atoms of nitrogen? We have just one, and oxygen is 3. So we have 39.098, 14.007, and this one is 47.997. And then you need to add them. That makes it 39.098 plus 14.007 plus 47.997 makes it 101.102 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of potassium nitrate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel.